Okay, here we are. We're going to start this video and show you, this is a color bison, and we're going to put together the two 8mm planks just as normal. You got the long tongue sticking out here, it's facing you, and you proceed to put together the next plank. And you just line it up on that long edge as good as you can. And you can see initially that you've got this plank is lifted up. So a real easy solution for that is a solid 2x4 block. This one's approximately 8 inches long. You could do, 12 inches, whatever. This seems to be a good size for your hand. And just tap along this long edge and see it starting to jump down. There you go. You just kind of tap it along that edge, working your way until you make it go flat. And now it is flat. And I'm going to show you that by just kind of skirting along this edge. So this is a flat piece now. So that's the typical way you do an installation with the tongue facing you, and you work your way through the room. But let's take these two planks while they're attached and just turn it around, and we'll show you that you also can click it in reverse. So this is doing it the opposite way. You're taking the long tongue and you're sticking it under the short side. So see the short and the long, and here we go. And again, it's standing up, and I'm going to stay right here and let Timothy work his way. Okay. And that looks like it got it. And again, just looking down this edge, you can see it's completely flat, completely locked in on top. Good to go.